Is the Xiaomi 12s Pro better than Xiaomi 12s Ultra? Well, I will be comparing the specs of both phones side by side. In the end, I will tell you which one I think is better and why. Let's get started with the design. The Xiaomi 12s Pro measures 163.6mm in length, 74.6mm in width, and 8.2mm in thickness, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra measure 163.2mm in length, 75mm in width, and 9.1mm in thickness. In body size, the Xiaomi 12s Pro will appear slimmer to hold than the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. The Xiaomi 12s Pro weighs 203 grams lighter than the Xiaomi 12s Ultra, which weighs 225 grams. Both the S12 Pro and Ultra supports a dual SIM. The Xiaomi 12s Ultra has IP68 dust and water-resistant protection for up to 30 minutes, while the Xiaomi 12s Pro does not. Looking at the display, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Xiaomi 12s Pro have the same screen size of 6.73 inches. Both the Xiaomi 12s Pro and 12s Ultra have a screen resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels display, and the same refresh rate of 120 Hz. The PPI density of the Xiaomi 12s Pro and the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is 521 PPI. The 12s Pro features an LTPO AMOLED display, while the 12s Ultra features an LTPO2 AMOLED display type. Both the Xiaomi 12s Pro and Xiaomi 12s Ultra have a Corning Gorilla Glass protector. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that. I will appreciate it if you do that. Performance-wise, both the Xiaomi 12s Pro and Xiaomi 12s Ultra operate on an octa-core processor up to 3.19 GHz. The chipset on both the Xiaomi 12s Pro and the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Also, both phones run on Android 12. And the Xiaomi 12s Pro and Xiaomi 12s Ultra have the same Adreno 730L graphics processing unit. In terms of memory, the Xiaomi 12s Pro comes in 128GB to 512GB of storage, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra comes in 256GB to 512GB of storage. Meanwhile, the maximum RAM in the Xiaomi 12s Pro and 12s Ultra is 12GB. Also, both phones do not have a memory card slot. Looking at the camera of both phones, the Xiaomi 12s Pro features a rear camera setup of a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera supported by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and another 50-megapixel telephoto camera. While the Xiaomi 12s Ultra features a similar camera setup, a 50.3-megapixel wide-angle camera, supported by a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. Looking at the video quality, the Xiaomi 12s Pro and 12s Ultra can shoot in 8K at 24 frames per second. Onto the front-facing camera of the Xiaomi 12s Pro is a 32-megapixel wide camera. And on the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is a 32-megapixel wide camera. Both the Xiaomi 12s Pro and 12s Ultra selfie camera can shoot in 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second. Let's look at the battery capacity of both phones. The Xiaomi 12s Pro is powered with a 4600 mAh battery, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is powered with a 4860 mAh battery. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 12s Pro has a fast charging of 120 watts, and the Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 67 watts fast charging. This means the 12s Pro will charge faster than the 12s Ultra. Also, the Xiaomi 12s Pro and 12s Ultra support fast wireless charging with reverse wireless charging. Both phones feature a loudspeaker, wireless LAN, 5G connectivity, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFC, and don't have a 3.5 jack. Overall, the Xiaomi 12s Pro does better than the Xiaomi 12s Ultra in the comparison score. In my opinion, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra beats the 12s Pro in its design, which is dust and water resistant for up to 30 minutes. However, both phones are excellent. Which do you think is better for you? Leave your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.